How long will Kraken hold my money? Intro. Question: ever wondered why it takes so long for your money to settle on Kraken? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the labyrinth of Kraken's settlement times. Let's unravel the mystery. Hook. Hey there, you've just sold your Bitcoin for a tidy profit. You're eager to withdraw those funds, but Kraken seems to be taking its sweet time. Frustrating, right? Well, let's understand why this happens and what factors influence settlement times. Understanding settlement times. Asterisk, what is settlement? Think of settlement as the final step in a transaction. It's when the funds are confirmed and ready for withdrawal or transfer. Kraken uses a multi-tiered system to ensure security and compliance. Factors affecting settlement times. Network congestion. Crypto networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum can get congested, especially during peak times. This can lead to delays in transaction confirmations. Withdrawal network. The network you're withdrawing to, e.g., ACH, wire transfer, also plays a role. Some networks are faster than others. Kraken's internal processes. Kraken has its own verification and compliance procedures in place to prevent fraud and ensure regulatory adherence. These can sometimes add to the processing time. Transaction amount. Larger transactions may require additional review and could take longer to settle. Kraken's settlement tiers. Tier 1. This is the fastest tier. Transactions in this tier typically settle within a few hours. Tier 2. Transactions in this tier may take longer, often due to factors like network congestion or regulatory requirements. Tier 3. This tier is reserved for high-risk or complex transactions. These may require manual review and could take several days to settle. Tips for faster settlements. Choose faster networks. Opt for withdrawal networks known for their speed, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Avoid peak times. If possible, schedule withdrawals during off-peak hours when network congestion is lower. Verify your account. Ensure your account is fully verified to minimize manual review. Check transaction status. Kraken provides tools to track the status of your transactions. Real-world examples. Case Study 1. A user shares their experience of a quick settlement on Kraken using Bitcoin. Case Study 2. Another user discusses a delayed withdrawal due to network congestion. Conclusion. Settlement times on Kraken can vary depending on several factors. While it's frustrating to wait, understanding the process can help you manage your expectations. By choosing faster networks, avoiding peak times, and verifying your account, you can often expedite the settlement process. Call to action. Have a question about settlement times on Kraken? Leave a comment below. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, patience is key when it comes to crypto transactions.